In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit shared documents in Dropbox. Let's start from the very beginning. First, open your web browser and head over to the Dropbox website. Sign into your account if you're not already logged in. Once you're in, you'll land on your main Dropbox homepage, where you can see your folders and files. Now, navigate to the shared document you want to edit. This might be in a shared folder someone else created, or a folder you shared with others. If you're not sure where it is, you can use the search bar at the top of the page and type the name of the document. When you see the file in the list, click on it once to open it. If the document is a compatible file type, like a Word document, PowerPoint, or Excel file, Dropbox will open it in its online editor, usually powered by Microsoft Office Online or Dropbox's own editor. Give it a second to load. Once it opens, you'll see the document in your browser with formatting, text, and any images. At this point, you can start editing just like you would in a regular word processor. Click into the text where you want to make a change and begin typing. You can add new paragraphs, fix spelling, or update sections of content. Use the toolbar at the top for formatting options like bold, italics, headings, bullet points, or adjusting alignment. If you're working on a spreadsheet, you can click into cells, type values or formulas, and add or edit sheets as needed. Because this is a shared document, your changes will automatically save back to Dropbox. You don't need to download and re-upload the file. Look near the top of the screen for a small saving indicator. Once it says that all changes are saved, you're good to go. Autosave usually happens every few seconds, but it's a good habit to pause for a moment and confirm before you close the tab. If other people are editing the document at the same time, you may see their cursors or initials where they're working. Try to avoid typing over the same section at once to prevent confusion. You can also leave comments, if the editor supports it, to ask questions or suggest changes without directly modifying the text. When you're finished, you can simply close the browser tab. Your changes are already stored in Dropbox, and anyone with access to that shared document will see the latest version the next time they open it.